Well, the Poonch anti-terror operation has entered its 8th day, viewers, with security forces maintaining an active encirclement around suspected terrorists. Now, continuous firing has been reported since yesterday morning, with forces employing small arms fire and heavy ammunition at suspected terrorist location. Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla is also scheduled to receive a briefing on the operation from Additional Director General of Police Jammu, Anand Jain, later today in Kashmir. Well, joining us is my colleague Gursimran, who's joining us from Jammu. Now, Gursimran, very good morning to you. It's the 8th day of the terror operation. And I believe some CCTV footage of the Lashkar terrorists has also been released. Take us through all the details.
Good morning, Guinea. And right now we are in Poonch, where the anti-terror operation is underway. It's the day 8 of the operation, and the security forces have intensified the cordon. Yesterday morning, it was for the first time that the contact was established since the attack, the ambush attack on the Indian Air Force convoy on the May 4th. Since then, the terrorists were escaping. But what has happened now, that yesterday there was a retaliation as per the sources within the Indian Army, that there has been retaliation by the terrorists when the security forces were advancing, after which there have been use of the heavy fire as well as the small fire that has been used by the security forces. Though there was some inclement weather conditions that prevailed yesterday, but even then we have seen the forcings advancing in the area. And now, since the weather is open, the security forces are now heading towards the suspected spot where the terrorists are believed to be hiding. These are the same group, the Lashkar hit squad, that was behind the attack in the Indian Air Force convoy, as well as the Pataduri encounter and the killing of a government employee in the upper reaches of the Rajouri's Thana Mandi. As we speak, there has been a heavy deployment of the security forces on the ground zero. The forces are ensuring that any attempt of the adversary can be foiled, be it the big vehicles of the Indian Army, including we have seen the Kalyani, the marksmen, and also the Armado vehicles. All have been pressed into action, along with their dog squad. Everything has been put in place, and the troops of the Indian Army that have been deployed on the ground zero are ensuring that the perpetrators don't skip from these woods, because the woods of the Poonch have been very, if we say in the past 1.5 years, have been very actively helping the terrorists. Their natural hideouts, the caves, all have been helping the terrorists, and now the search operations have been intensified in the entire area. As we speak, the additional forces have also been pressed into the operations, and so is the para forces, that is the special forces of the Indian Army, those who have been deployed in the operations. Because if I'll request Sarjeevan to show you the upper reaches of the Poonch, you will get an idea that how dense forested this entire area is. There have been regular attempts by the terrorists to use the natural hideouts, the caves, as one of the key hideouts for them, where they can hide after the attack, and that's why the security forces now are intensifying the operations. And we are getting to know that in a short while from now, the senior officials of the Jammu and Kashmir Police, as well as the Indian Army, they too will be reaching the spot where the suspected terrorists are believed to be hiding.